Okay, there's the runway. Gump check. Gear down. Mixture rich. Prop set for go round. We're a little to the left of the runway. Let's move it over to the right just a bit. We may have a little crosswind. Okay, let's pull it back to 13 inches. Bring it down at 450, 475 feet per minute. Okay, we've got the speed right, about 70 knots. We've got white lights, so we're a little high. Let's pull the power back just a little more. Okay, let's trim it for a lower speed. It's looking good. Now, let's roll it out and look down the field. Very important to look down the field to touch right. Let's look down the field. Here we go, down the field. And we got it. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna pull it back and put it in the barn. Hey everybody, if you like that, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and watch more of my videos. Thanks for being on board.